crate is started. Tommy dead, Tommy dead.
Nice, bro.
No, holy shit. A lot of Hazis. Going
Oh,
towards-
yeah.
Yeah, Hazi. Okay, the naked one is super low. He's dead.
Crossy on me.
Okay, I don't have many bullets. So I have to be... Okay. Where is he? Is that? Nice. I hit him. He's dead. Dead. Has he?
Yep.
Yeah, he's dead. Grab the Hazi, grab the Hazi. Yeah, the DB guy is leaving. He's dead, dead. On the train.
What the fuck?
I hit him. Tommy dead. I'm
Nice.
pushing the Tommy. I'm low. I'm getting hit. Yeah.
I hit him, the ball guy. He's low.
Is he pushing me? I'm here. Where is the ball guy?
Bro.
Another guy? You choke!
Another one.
Choke.
Another one here. Oh!
Where? Oh, there's one on me. Oh, here. Another dead.
Bro, what the fuck is that?
It's not fun anymore. Another dead. How much for the crate? How much time?
3 minutes.
That's nice. GG's, bro. I think we won that. Did you kill him? Oh, there's a ball here. Inside.
Yeah, the Hazi is dead.
I'm hit. I'm low. I'm super low. Did you kill the river?
It's 2 rivals. I killed just one.
Okay, I'm healing now. Can you hold it for me?
Yep.
Come towards me. He's gonna push and then I kill him. Okay, I hit him. Pushing this guy.
He's dead?
Yep. The other one is gonna push. No, I killed him. Yeah, he's dead now. Thanks for the bullets, boys.
I'm really low.
Yeah, me too. Can you heal? Do you have a healing? You need to go for the crate, bro. He's gonna loot. Another dead. There's a guy holding the car. He's dead. He's dead. Hey, 1 minute for the crate. That's okay, that's okay. We can loot and run. Okay, let's just wait for the crate. I loot and we run. Oh, AK.
GG's. Let's run.
Yeah, run. Oh, I'm hit again. He's gonna push, bro. I need to heal before we run. He's dead. Cadê a fight? Okay, let's run. Yeah. Yeah, let's run. It's just naked, bro. Dead now. Dead. Just keep going, bro. Just hit the boat. Just hit the boat.
3 guys!
Just hit the fucking boat, bro. Just hit.
Okay.
They don't know, bro.
Holy. No way.
Kill it one.
Oh.
He throw grenades on me. Okay. Got M39. He's dead.
Oh.
Oh! 2 PP flag. Another pump.
Huge.
Where's the SMG? Oh, I found it. Nice. Okay, I'm coming back.
Look at this.
Holy shit, C4. Bro, that's huge. Okay guys, we found a big group starting a base. So we're gonna try to raid them with 1 C4. We got from the airdrop. Oh, they are upgrading right now. But it's just 1 door, bro. If we
We can
go
do it.
fast, we can still... Can I cut some letters? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna raid you, okay? Okay, I threw the C4.
Okay.
Just hold. No! Vem pra cá. I'm dead. No way, bro. I raided him.
Take your gun.
Holy shit.
I don't have a bag, bro.
Okay, let me place a bag here. Holy. Can I seal this? Oh, they're loaded, bro. Farmers. Let's fucking go. Okay, seal. Let's use the new DLC. Alright. Grab some wood. Oh, I made a mistake here. Okay,
Nice.
we have a base. We just need to move all the loot from the boat now. Okay, now we just move the loot. Okay, let's see this card. Not bad. I'm gonna call the scientist, okay? Bro, I'll go deep with this loot. I have too many guns. Okay?
Okay.
It's unnecessary. Oh, scrap heli! Scrap fucking heli, bro!
Okay.
Holy shit! Holy nuts! Yeah, come here, bro. Come here, man. Fuck, bro, just come here. Just come to the top.
Holy
Go
fuck.
in the fucking crane, bro. Holy shit, bro. This is the time, bro. This is the time, bro. We need to do this. Go in the fucking crane, bro. Do
Okay.
something. Landing. On the middle. You can kill everyone. Hold on. Hold on, bro.
Holy scrap.
Just hold. Be careful. He's gonna kill you. There's a lot. Jump. Is he landing? Kill! Just kill everyone! I hit one. Nice.
Holy scrap.
Another dead. Just down. I just downed him, bro. You need to finish him. Nice.
He's dead.
All dead?
Look at
No
this.
way, bro. Come on. Holy shit.
I can't believe it. Crazy, bro.
No fucking way, man.
Oh my heart.
Oh, cards, bro. They have cards. I go deep, alright?
Alright.
Be careful with the two guys.
Okay.
I need to drop some. I'll drop diving gear. Okay, I'm leaving, bro. Okay, fuck me. It's hard to see scrappy hell in oil rig.
Yeah.
Oh, someone is jumping. Yeah, he's in the sausage. Hit one. Oh, AK. Hit the other one. He's dead. Do you wanna take
Let's
the
fucking go.
heli? Oh! Another one. Oh! My heart, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, that was NPC. Bro, let's leave, bro. Fuck the heli, man. Fuck the heli. Whee! Yep. That was fucking insane, bro.
GG.
Yep.
Did it 2 times?
One dead. The semi's running, the semi's running. This way, this way.
The big base, guys.
Hold on. Maybe I downed him? Yep. Oh, 3 guns on this guy. I'm full inventory now. Fuck. Yo, I don't have space for that. Oh,
Holy shit.
headshot. He's dead. They live in that big base over there.
Oh yeah.
Bro, I'll drop stone for now. You grab the loot, okay?
Okay, bro.
Another dead?
Another dead?
Nice, man. Okay, I'll grab the airdrop now. Oh, there's a guy waiting on our boat, man.
Oh, I see.
Wolf headrest guy. Let me see if I can kill him. Yeah. He's dead.
Стреляй, привет! Стреляй, блядь!
There's another one coming.
Dude.
Revolver, man. What? if we get a C4 from the crate, we can raid these guys. He's dead?
One is dead?
Yep. He was using HLMG, bro.
Another guy is just a hazy.
Did you see him?
Yep.
I'll go deeper there. Oh, I saw the other guy. Oh, he's following me. I have spear gun. I hit him. Okay, shoot him, bro.
I hit.
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead. No? Okay, now he is, bro. Yeah, he is. AK. Holy shit. That was the last one, bro. They're loaded, for sure. Okay, please, C4, man. We just need a fucking C4. Please. Let me do the C4 dance. It's this one. You guys gonna see it. C4, bro. I told you.
No way.
Told you, bro. Too easy, man. Too easy. Show me the loot. Please be $1. Maybe it is. Maybe it is $1. No, it's 2, but there's something. No, it's open car. Open car, maybe. Open boat. Please.
Open boat core.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, bro. Holy shit, they came back from the deep sea. Holy shit. C4
Huge.
back, C4 back.
Free loot?
Bro, why? Why you came to counter, bro, and full send it? Bro, they're super stacked, man. Where's the fucking backpack? Where's the backpack? I saw
Let's
one.
go.
I saw one. Yeah, nice. There's door. Bro, what is this? I'm shaking this. Because it's too cold here, man. Holy fuck. I'm trying to grab the best loot first. Yeah, that's the best for now.
Bro, this guy is crazy.
We don't have chests for that. We're gonna have to place some more. Holy shit, we got the C4 back, man. No fucking way. Okay guys, GG's, man. Take him here, bro. I killed him.
Okay.
Another guy. Hold the door, fast, hold the door. Hey, just hold this door. Just hold this door. I'm gonna push. Just hold, just hold.
Holy shit.
Yeah, he's opening. he's opening doors. He's opening doors. Eu vou jogar granada. Keep careful. Just go. Just go. Como que a gente atinge isso, gente?
Come here, boy.
Okay. How dead. Bro, look at the loot. Look at the fucking loot. They despawned everything. Bruno. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me clear. Hold on, let me crash a door. Yeah, I'm crashing a door. Não. Calma. Okay.
I'm here, bro.
Okay, place a door.
Ooh, yeah, boy.
Just loot the body and come in here, bro. Holy.
Ooh.
Now we need to find all the loot. Can we get everything inside the box for now? Yo, look the cloth, bro. 4K cloth.
Or key.
Okay, bro, that was a good one.
GG's.
We online in this, guys. GG's.